Hello, this is Coach D, and welcome to your first workout of 4 of our winter workouts, Build Summer Bodies. So don't get lazy, let's get these winter workouts in. Boom. All right, you guys, first workout of 4. Have some dumbbells, because we are going to use some dumbbells today, but we're using body weight, and we're doing some cardio too. An all-encompassed workout. What more can you ask for? Let's start off with a march. Good. Shoulders are rolled back, chest is big. So this area, I was told, is called a décolletage or a décolleté. I want you to show that off, okay? Think about showing that part off. Some people say that's the sexiest part of the body. I don't know. Just show it off, okay, for good posture. All right, swing those arms in that march. We're marching. So I'm just showing you side view. I want you to give me a tiny little crunch and a little tuck of the pelvis here. Yeah? It's gonna put you in a nice and good posture. Shoulders are rolled back, neck is long, chin is slightly forward, it's not tucked in, it's not up too high, okay? Nice neutral spine. Good, now we're gonna take it into a light jog. So bring those toes up, get a little tiny bit of air. Woo, so feet are coming off that floor. Arms are moving a little bit faster. Good, so you wanna try to keep those elbows tucked to the side, okay? We're not out this way. Nice and side linear movement. Good. Nice work, keep it here. All right, we're gonna add some arm movement in to get some arm warm up. So just reach up and down as you do your light jog. Woo, easy. Now out, out, up. Good, out, up. Just warming it up. Gotta get that body warm for this good workout. Up and out. Good. Breathe, abs tight. Looking good, feeling good. All right, take it out, one side, bring it in. Out the other side, bring it in. Out the other side, bring it in. Yes, easy. So you're reaching with your hand and your foot to one wall, and then the other, just warming it up. Nice work, okay. Now, light stretching. First things first, hamstring stretch. Heel on the floor, reach it down, scoop it up. Other side, down, scoop it up. You're gonna get a nice hamstring stretch in there. Switch sides. So you're really digging that heel down and really pulling that toe in. The leg is straight. You're feeling that stretch in the back of the leg with the toe up. Good. One more on each side, please. All right. Good. Stretch out the arms. Open it up. Pull it over. Good. Rotate that wrist if you want to. A little extra credit, never hurt nobody. Open it up, switch it over to the other side, rotate the wrist. Oh, look at you. All right, we are ready. So we're gonna grab some dumbbells. I would say 5, 10, 15 if you're feeling froggy. I'm gonna grab some 5s. Because for me, I wanna make sure I'm showing you perfect form so you can copy me in my perfect form. We're gonna go squats. Now, with your squats, you have the option of holding the dumbbells in what's called a front rack position, or you can have them straight at your side, okay? I like them here. We're gonna come down into the squat and then stand straight up. Now, I want you to make sure that décolletage that we talked about is showing. Yeah, good. So this is for time. We're gonna be here for about a good 30 minutes. Good. Show that chest, so don't let your chest drop, okay? You wanna keep that chest up. I wanna see your smiling face. Good. And then if you're here, you're just like this. As long as you're not cheating and pushing off those legs, right? Good. 10 more seconds. Good, good, good. Building those legs, building those glutes. Those thighs getting nice and shaped up. 5, 4, give me one more up. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Next up is push-ups. All we're gonna do is set those dumbbells aside. Good, now there's 2 types of push-ups here. We got your modified, which is on the knees. Okay, hands are right underneath the armpits. We come all the way down chest to deck and right back up, right? We have the full push-up, which is off of the toes. Legs are flexed. Chest to deck, all the way up, okay? Choose your poison. Again, 30 seconds. Good, now if you're using modified like me, I want you to make sure those toes are also on the floor, okay? Glutes are tight, so from the tip of my head all the way down to the kneecap is a straight line, all the way down and all the way up throughout that push-up. Yes, good job. We got 10 more seconds. Give me one more, give me one more. Good job. All right, next, we got some lunges, okay? Grab those dumbbells again. We're gonna take 1 foot forward, so you choose which one you want to be forward. Make sure you have a nice big base of support. I'm gonna go side view here. Décolletage up. We're coming down and up. Good, I want you to try to at least hit that 90-degree in that front leg. That means a 90-degree bend in that front knee. Good, shoulders stay up, back is tight, abs are tight. At the 15-second mark, we're gonna switch legs, okay? 5, 4, 3, give me one more, and 1, good. And then we switch. Same thing here. Hit that 90-degree in that front leg, stand it up, neck is long, back is tall, abs are tight. Good, and up, down, and up, good. And you can also hold the dumbbells, front rack here if you want to, down like this. If you want a real good challenge, straight up overhead press. You can do that too. Time is almost up here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next one up, we got a bent over row. Feet are directly underneath the hips. We're gonna put a micro bend in the knees and then hinge at the hip crease. All right, weights are now dangling. You're like a big gorilla right here. All you're going to do, bring those elbows and graze the cheese on the side of the body, back down. One of my clients says, it's like we're grating the cheese off, huh, Coach D? I'm like, you kind of are. In a way, we gotta chisel out that body for the summertime, right? Row. So focus on squeezing those shoulder blades into the spine. All right, so shoulder blades in towards each other. Good. Your arms should be perpendicular to the floor. Back should be somewhat parallel to the floor. 5 more seconds here, you guys. All the way up, all the way down. Dumbbell should be touching that rib. One more, one more. Boom, that's time. Good job. Next one, shoulder press. Again, feet shoulder width apart, micro bend in the knees. Okay, make sure your glutes aren't sticking out. Give me that pelvic tilt, abs tight. We're pressing straight up, squeezing that head with your shoulders all the way down, up and down. And you could do what you need to do with this. You could turn this into the Arnold press, get to the chopper, or you can just keep it right here. Boom, boom, right? You do what you need to do. This is your workout. I want you to go hard, and your hard is different than Sally's hard, different than Kevin's hard, different than everyone's hard. Okay, so you choose your hard and use it. Challenge yourself, por favor. Good. Up, we got 2 more. 1 and 2. Good job. All right, dumbbells go down. It's plank time. Plank, you could go high plank on the hands. This is the easier option. Harder option will be off the elbows. We got 40 seconds. Choose your hard, let's go. Good work. I'm gonna take it on the hands. Abs are tight, glutes are tucked. Good. Chin is neutral, okay? So find a spot on the floor that you can stare at. You are doing so good, my friend. Hang in there. Come on, hang on to this. You're gonna feel a little bit shaky. That's good. All right, challenge that. Challenge that. When's the last time you challenged yourself? Focus. Focus gives you a target. Good. Target gives you direction. Direction gives you progress because you know where to go. You have your plan. Progression is everything right here. Hold it. 3. Come on. 2. Come on. 1. Woo! Did you hit that goal? I really hope you did. Nice work. All right, time to stretch it out. You did so good. Shoulders and chest. We're gonna open up into what's called a doorway stretch. So my elbows are slightly behind the chest. You're gonna feel all of this stretch out right here. Good. And now all we're gonna do is reach forward and I'll stretch out the back opposite way. You can interlace the fingers and pop the palms outwards. This one always feels so good. Oh, I love it. All right. I need to stop. That was cringe. All right, taking it back. Good, relax. Last leg stretch. We're gonna take it into a quad here. Knees stay in line. Pop the hips forward, opening up that hip crease. You can reach the opposite hand up. Yes, if you're balanced. That's awesome. I almost fell down. Good. Other side, last one. Inhale. Exhale. And release. You are so amazing and awesome and great and wonderful. I love you. This is Coach Dee asking you to like, comment, subscribe, share. Tell me how amazing you are. Until next time, see you later.